Now let us try to solve the problems. Okay. Let us see how it goes. Okay. Now, if I have a problem of this type, that is x cube divided by x cube divided by, I have this problem like x cube divided by x plus 2, okay, into dx. Let us try to solve this problem, and further we'll see some more problems. Okay. Now this is cube, right? So this is, you add 8 and subtract 8. Okay. So divided by x plus 2, integration of this. Okay. So this is dx. Now separate this again, once again, x cube plus 2 cube divided by x plus 2, integration of this, and dx minus 8 divided by x plus 2 dx. Fine. Now this also I can expand that, so that will be x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this divides by x plus 2, integral dx minus integral 8 by x plus 2, okay, dx. Now this both gets cancelled, so I'll put directly calculate what is x square, that is x cube by 3 minus this is x square by 2. 2 gets cancelled, so I'll get only x square, and this will be 4x, and this will be 8 log of x plus 2 plus c. So this will be the solution for this integrand. Okay, let us try to solve the next problem. Okay, okay. Let me try to solve the next problem. Okay, now suppose if I have integral of 1 plus 2x square by x square into 1 plus x square dx. If I have this problem, let us see how to solve it. Now I can write 2x square can be written as x square plus x square, and I'll separate 1 plus x square separately. So I get 1 plus x square separately, as I told you how to do it. So this is dx. Now I have one more x square. I'll separate that. That will be x square divided by x square into 1 plus x square dx. Okay, so these two gets cancelled. This will be x to the power of minus 2. So x to the power of minus 2 integral will be minus 1 by x. Okay, and x square get cancelled for the second term, and I'll be left with only tan inverse x plus c. So this will be the solution. Okay, now let us try to solve the next problem. Integral of suppose if I have as x power 6, okay, minus 1 divided by uh, x square plus 1 into dx. Now minus 1 can be written as 1 minus 2x, and I'll separate that, and x power 6 can be written as x square power 3. Okay, I'll separate this, and 1 can be written as 1 cube. So that's what I'll be trying to do. So x square power 3, that's the first thing, and 1 can be written as 1 cube. Okay, and this divides by x square plus 1 into dx, and I'll be having only minus 2, so this will be integral 2 by x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, now further, uh, to solve this, now let us try to solve this. So this can be written as x square plus 1 into x power 4 minus x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 integral dx. This will be the same because I have this result for this 1 plus x square dx. So these two gets cancelled. So directly I'll put as x power 5 by 5 minus x cube by 3, and this will be uh, x, and this will be 2 tan inverse x plus c. So this will be the solution for this integral. Okay, let me move on to another problem. Please post the comments. Okay, okay. I have found solution is not visible. Okay, now is it visible to you? Okay, okay. Yeah, I'll write in a big letter so that it will be visible to all. Okay, let me try to solve this problem. Okay, next problem. Okay, suppose if I have integral of dx by x into x power 4 minus 1. Let us try to solve this. So if I remove x power 4, okay, and here from here, and this will be x power 5. So that's what I'm trying to do. So this will be dx by x power 5 into 1 minus 1 by x power 4. Okay, let us put 1 minus 1 by x power 4 is equal to t. Okay, so this differentiation would be 1 by x power 5 into dx is equal to uh, dt. Now let us substitute all those which I have said. So this will be, which is integral 1 by 4. Okay, so this will be, so this is dt by 4. We will have this on the other side. So it is 1 by 4 dt by t. So this will be 1 by 4 log t, which is nothing but 1 by 4 log of, okay, you are able to see this, the last part. Yeah, okay. So this will be a log of 1 minus t, which we have taken as x power 4. So let's see. So this would be the solution. Okay, I hope it is visible to you all. Okay, let us further continue. to solve the problems. Okay, let us try to evaluate. Now, if I consider this integral of some more problems, so let us try to integrate it. Okay, so if I have integral dx by x power 4 into x cube plus 1 whole square. Okay, let us integrate it. If I take x power 6 outside, so I'll be left with integral dx divided by x power 10. Okay, so this is 1 by x cube whole square. Fine. So let us put what is 1 by x cube as t. Let us substitute it. So I get minus 3 by x power 4 dx is equal to dt. Okay, which is equal to 1 by x power 4 dx as minus dt by 3. Let us substitute what all I have mentioned. So that is minus 1 by 3. So I'll put minus 1 by 3 outside. Integral of 1 minus, this is what you get as t minus t minus 1 whole square divided by t square into dt. Okay, this is what I'm supposed to put. Okay, so further, if I simplify it, okay, let me simplify this. Let me simplify it. I get minus 1 by 3. Okay, integral, this is t square minus 2t plus 1 minus 2t plus 1 divided by t square into t. So I get 1 by 3. Now integration of this would be uh, t alone minus 1 by t, okay, minus 2 log t, okay, close the brackets, plus c. Now t we have taken as 1 plus 1 by x cube. Let us substitute that. Okay, so when you substitute it, let me substitute the values which I have taken it. Okay, so let us substitute that. Okay, okay, so that is 1 by 3, t being 1 plus 1 by x cube, okay, minus this is 1 plus 1 by x cube power minus 1 and 2 log of 1 plus 1 by x cube plus c. So so let us further continue to solve the problems. Let me take one more example. Okay. Now integration of dx divided by x square into x plus square root of 1 plus x square. Let us try to solve this now. If I remove x outside completely, okay, so I'll get dx. Okay, so this will be x cube, and this is 1 plus square root of 1 plus 1 by x square. Get this. Let us substitute what is 1 by 1 by x square as t square. Okay, let us substitute that. So I get this is minus 2 by x cube dx as 2t into dt. Fine. Now let us substitute what we have taken. So I get as minus t dt divided by 1 plus t. Okay. So let us try to evaluate this. So I get minus of t plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus t. Fine. Into dt. Now if I simplify this, I get minus of integral 1 minus 1 by t plus 1 into dt. Okay. So this will be t. Okay. This will be t, and this is plus. This will be log t plus 1 plus c. Now let us substitute what is t, which we have taken as 1 plus 1 by x square. Let's substitute that. Okay. Please do substitute that. Now what is t? Okay. Do you have any more questions? Yeah, you can also log into my website also. I have provided a few of the uh, solutions for the problems. Okay, please log into that also. Let me continue to solve a few more problems. Okay. Okay. Let us try to evaluate some of the trigonometric functions and or by substituting or and so on. Okay. Suppose if I have the integrand of sine cube x dx. This can be written as sine square x and sine x. Okay, dx integral. Fine. Now, if I put cos x as some t, so differentiation of this is minus sine x dx, and this will be dt. Fine. So let us sine square can be written as 1 minus cos square, which is 1 minus t. So let us substitute all those which I have mentioned. So this is minus of 1 minus t square Okay, and this will be dt. Fine. So this will be now integration of that will be minus of t minus t cube by 3 plus c. Now this can be written as minus cos x plus this is 1 by 3 cos cube x, okay, plus c. So this will be the result. Fine. So let us see one more example. Okay. I hope you understood these problems. Fine. Let us move on to the next problem. Let us integrate. Let us integrate 1 by sine of x minus a. Okay. We have cos x minus b dx. Let us integrate this. Now I'll multiply and divide by cos of a minus b. Let us see how it goes. So I'll divide and multiply by cos of a minus b divided by cos of a minus b. Integral 1 by sine of x minus a cos x minus b into dx. Okay, so this is done. Let me take one cos inside and cos function. Let me put in brackets. I'll put x, okay, x minus b, okay, and minus of x minus a. So if you look at this, x gets cancelled. I get plus a, and which is a minus b, which is same in the numerator. Okay, keeping this as 1 by cos of a minus b outside. Okay, denominator same, which is sine of x minus b and cos of x minus b dx. Fine. Now we have the formula corresponding to this. Let me write that. So this is 1 by cos of a minus b. Okay. So this will be, if you take this individually, I get cos of x minus b. Okay. Cos of x minus a divided by sine of x minus b and cos of x minus b. Okay, plus we have sine of x minus b and sine of x minus a. This divides by sine of x minus b, x minus a, x minus a. Okay, say x minus a and cos of x minus b. Okay, keep this closed and dx. Okay, so I hope you are able to see this. Okay, let me move this and let us further continue it. Okay, so now if you see this, I can cancel. I can write cos by sine as cot. Okay, sine by cos. I can write that as tan. So I get this cos of a minus b integral of this will be cot of x minus a, okay, plus tan of x minus b into dx. I arrive into this after simplification. Fine. So so that's done. Fine. Now we know what is cotan of x minus a, integrals of that, and tan of integral of that also. So let us write that, what we get. So we have 1 by cos of a minus b. This will be log of, okay, close the brackets. So this will be log of sine of x minus a, okay, minus log of cos x minus b plus c. So this will be the solution. Or you can again, this is a log m minus n. I'll put this together. So I get 1 by cos of a minus b. This will be log of s x minus a divided by cos x minus b plus c. Fine. Okay. Let me continue to do the problems. Let us see next problem. Now, if I have to evaluate integral sine of x plus a divided by sine of x plus b dx. Let us try to evaluate this now. Now, if you see that I can put any of the term which is t. Let us put x plus b as t. Okay, so dx will be dt. So that let us put what is x as t minus b. So x as t minus b. Let's substitute this. Now, if you have that, so this is x t minus b plus a divides sine x plus b as t. Okay, and this will be dt. Again, this is in the form of a plus b, and I'll substitute that as sine of t cos a minus b. So this is one entity. So a minus b divided by sine t plus I have cos t and sine of a minus b divides by sine t. This whole thing will be dt. Okay. Now, if you see here, I can cancel out sine and sine. So I'll be left with only cos. So cos of AB, which is constant. Okay. So cos of A minus B, which is constant. Integration of dt will be t. So I can put this as t. Okay. So this is done. Now plus now cos t by sin t is cot t. Integration is will have, and this term is constant, so I'll put sine of a minus b. Integration of cot t will be log of sin t. Let's see. Okay. Now let us substitute what is t. So this will be x plus b cos of a minus b and sine of a minus b, and this is a log of sine, that is t, which is x plus b c. So this is the solution. Okay. So thank you for listening. I'll be back again. Okay.